Now that it's daylight, we can see what's going on. A lot of debris, but I am flooded up to my house. It's not in my house, but it is in the driveway. I've got a fence down right there, all the way down by the camper. But yeah, it's gnarly. Let's go take a look at the backyard now that it's light time. Just got my flower bed done. Oh well, y'all. Hurricane Sally. Okay, y'all, this is the backyard. Oh, I hope my porch don't go. But as you can see, my whole backyard is flooded. I'm flooded. My plum tree knocked down. Thank God though, that's all. I thought maybe my metal roof would go, but it stayed up there. Thank the good Lord. Let's walk down this way a little bit so we can see better. I'm trying to protect my camera. Look at that mess. Look at that mess. Everything is underwater. Lovely, isn't it? Okay, my friends. Talk to you later.